Okay, next problem. We're given points negative 8, 3, negative 4, 7. We're asked to sketch a line from this point to this point, not including this point, and then a line segment from here to here, not including this point but including this one, and then a segment from here to here, including this point and this one. So how do we do that? Well, it's a little tricky to indicate those points, and apparently it's a little tricky to draw a straight line. Okay, so we go from here to here, not including this point. However, we got to go from here to here, including this point. So we have a double indicator on this point. We have a circle indicating that one of these segments doesn't include this point, and a point indicating that the other line does indicate the point. So it's included on the second line, not the first, and it means this point. So the point included on the second line, but not the first. And then we're asked to write the equations and inequalities that define this function. Well, I'm not going to go through the details of it, but it's fairly easy to find the equation of this line. I believe this line segment is part of the line y equals x plus 11, for at least the duration of this line. And here it's the line simply y equals 7. And you should hopefully have no trouble understanding why that's true. Y is 7 here, y is 7 here. The slope is then clearly 0 because you have 0 rise between 7 and 7. There's no change. And the y equals mx plus b, the m is 0, and b, clearly this line is going to continue. Well, right there is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is at b equals 7. So it's y equals 0x plus 7. And that just becomes y equals 7. And that's the equation of the line that this segment is part of. Now, this equation only applies to this segment here, and this equation only applies to this segment. So how are we going to write the equation of that function? Well, we write it this way. Y equals, we have a split definition. Okay, y equals x plus 11 for part of the duration of this function, and y equals 7 for another part of the segment. Now, where is it equal to x plus 11? It's equal to x plus 11 between x equals negative 8 and x equals 4, not including x equals 4. So we say that negative 8 is less than or equal to x is less than 4. And now we've defined exactly where the line segment coincides with the line. It's for x values between negative 8 and 4, including negative 8, not including 4. And where is it that y equals 7? Well, that's for negative 4, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 0. Okay, because from negative 4 to 0, including negative 4 and 0, so we have the inclusion here, we follow this segment. So, fairly straightforward problem, but you do need to know how to do that.